Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by acting now. Pick the sunniest, well-draining patch and clear competing plants. Once selected, test texture by touch and add 2 to 3 inches of compost to feed microbes and retain moisture. Make planting decisions based on season and space, and label rows with spacing in centimeters or inches so you avoid crowding. Start seeds where they'll germinate best, or transplant strong seedlings. This jumpstarts growth and prevents the slow, indefinite planning that stalls most projects. You now execute the middle steps with care. Plant to the correct depth, follow the packet or set root collars level, then firm soil and water to settle roots. Once done, switch to deep, less frequent watering so roots grow down instead of surface only. Adjust to soil type and weather. Make sure to apply a 2 to 3 centimeter layer of mulch. It keeps moisture, blocks weeds, and smooths temperature swings, which stabilizes growth during critical establishment weeks. You complete the cycle by harvesting on time and maintaining plants to sustain productivity. Pick produce as it ripens to promote continued fruiting, and inspect weekly for pests or disease so you can act early. Make pruning, staking, and light feeding part of a routine, and when problems appear, run a soil test to identify pH or nutrient gaps. If things go wrong, yellowing leaves or poor growth, adjust pH with lime or sulfur.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.